In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable other Wazer on Waze 2026, step by step. To get started, open Waze and make sure you're on the main homepage or main map screen. This is the starting point where you can access the app's navigation tools and visibility settings. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. Just make sure you're on the home area of Waze before moving forward. Once you are on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Waze places the main menu controls, and that's where you'll find the option you need. Take a second to visually scan the side of the interface so you can locate the menu icon easily. Next, click on the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button, sometimes called the hamburger menu. When you select it, Waze opens a side panel with more settings and display options. This menu is useful for customizing what you see on the map, so if you ever want to adjust similar features in the future, this is a good place to remember. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled Show Other Wazers. This setting controls whether you can see other Waze users on the map. It can be helpful if you want a more interactive map experience or if you simply prefer seeing more live community activity while using the platform. Now check the toggle next to Show Other Wazers. If the switch is blue, that means the feature is already enabled. In other words, you do not need to make any changes because Waze is already set to display other users for you. It's always a good idea to confirm the color carefully so you don't accidentally switch the setting off. If the toggle is not blue, simply turn it on. Just click or tap the switch once and it should change to the enabled state. Once that happens, the setting is active and Waze should begin showing other Wazers on the map. That's all you need to do. The process is very quick, and once you know where the setting is, it only takes a few seconds to check or update it anytime you want. If the map does not update right away, give it a moment or refresh the view by moving around the map screen. And that's how to enable other Wazers on Waze in 2026.